In this video, I'll show you how to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing and make it a long-term side hustle or even a business. This will be a step-by-step guide on how to choose a relevant niche, create content, and monetize it not just from affiliate links. Alright, let's dive in. Head over to pinterest.com and what we'll do is click on sign up and create a free business account. Fill in your email, password, and birth date when you hit create account. If you already have a personal account, you can switch it over to a business account instead. Next, Pinterest will ask for some details about your business. I'll choose content creator and click next. For business goals, I'll go with drive traffic to our site, though the option you pick doesn't really matter. For the brand focus, since we are not picking a specific niche just yet, I'll select other for now, click on done, and finally I'll close this window by clicking the X button and you'll be brought to the business hub, which is your main dashboard. In the dashboard, you can manage your profile, create pins, view analytics, and even run ads. Now that everything is set up, let's talk about choosing a niche or topic for your Pinterest account. Start by clicking on Audience Insights. Since this is a new account with no data yet, select all Pinterest users to view overall platform analytics. You'll notice that art is the most popular category, followed by entertainment, home decor, women's fashion, DIY crafts, designs, and so on. I suggest picking a niche from this list. Clicking on any category will reveal sub-niches. For instance, within beauty, you'll find topics like hair, makeup, nails, skincare, bath and body care, fragrance, men's beauty. You can also explore demographic data including age, gender, location, and devices used. Most users are on mobile, with only 16% using desktops. Now head over to trends.pinterest.com. Just type in trends.pinterest.com to check out what's trending in your area. In the US, for example, recent trends include Christmas nails, elf on the shelf ideas, winter nails, holiday nails, Christmas cookies, recipe ideas, and so on. You can also find data for top monthly trends, top yearly trends, growing trends, and seasonal trends. Use filters to explore these trends, but remember, just because something is popular doesn't mean it's the best fit for you. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests and has earning potential. Later, I'll share some high earning niches I've worked at. Once you have your niche, look up top accounts in that space. For example, searching for make money online will show designs that work well for that niche, like bold text, eye-catching designs, and specific numbers. If your niche is different, search for top accounts in that area and study what makes them successful. For example, this pin right here called 20 best ways to make $4,000 online monthly from home. The pin has keywords that make it rank well, and clicking the link takes you to their website with a detailed article. Pinterest is essentially an advanced search engine. Later, I'll guide you through creating a landing page, but for now, take some time to explore what others in your niche are doing. This will help spark ideas and show you what strategies work best. But guys, please don't skip this step. It's a crucial step. But before that, I want to quickly introduce you with another great tool I found. Doba is an online dropshipping service designed to link digital store owners with suppliers who can handle direct delivery to customers. A key strength of Doba is its extensive product database featuring access to well over 1 million items across a wide variety of categories. This makes it a great option for sellers aiming to stock a diverse selection of goods in their e-commerce shop. It also supports smooth integration with leading e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, helping users easily synchronize inventory, process orders, and manage their store operations efficiently. From finding products to syncing inventory and managing orders automatically, Doba is designed to streamline your daily operations. This allows you to spend less time on logistics and more time focusing on expanding your actual business. Doba features an intuitive interface that's simple to use even for those just getting started with dropshipping. It comes equipped with helpful tools such as product discovery, price analysis, and order tracking, all designed to streamline your workflow and reduce time spent on routine tasks. Another convenient feature is the ability to export product data, making it easy to transfer and upload listings directly into your online store. In summary, you can move on from common dropshipping headaches such as inconsistent suppliers, inventory mismatches, and time-consuming product researches. With Doba's reliable supplier connections, up-to-date inventory syncing, and streamlined order handling, those challenges are greatly minimized. Doba is built to help you save time, minimize risk, and accelerate your business growth. So once you finish watching this video, feel free to click the link in the description down below to visit Doba's official website. After you reach the website, head to the top right and click on the Get Started button. Once you create your account, you'll find a wide variety of product categories suited for different types of online stores. So whether you are home or gardening, beauty, health, outdoors, clothing, toys, sports, pets, electronics, you'll find it all over here. As I said before, there's a large selection available for you to explore. One of the features that is worth highlighting is the high profit section. It showcases items with strong profit margins. For instance, this product clothes organizer, we can click on this product and can see that the price on Doba is $15.79, but the retail price is around $25 on platforms like Amazon, so it's offering a solid potential return. Also, you can check out the inventory, how much is in stock. You can see where this product is shipped from. You can check out the warehouse and the cost of the shipping. As I said before, you can download a detailed info of this exact product, such as images, description, and prices. Also, you can list this product straight to your store or even add to cart. If you go ahead and click on My Doba and check out this AI tool hub, you can see that you get a couple of AI tools that you can use. For example, AI Store Builder, AI Product Finder, AI Auto Lister, and even a new product that is called AI Listing Optimizer. If you go to the store section, you can connect your Shopify store or any other platform you use. So guys, don't forget to check them out and explore everything they bring to the table. I'll leave a link in the description down below. And now let's continue with our video. Next, we are going to find top affiliate programs to partner with in your niche. The programs available will depend on the niche you choose. Some of the most popular platforms to start with include ClickBank, PartnerStack, Impact, and Amazon Associates. Beyond these, many companies offer their own affiliate programs. If there's a product or service you're interested in, search for company name followed by affiliate program to see if they have one you can join directly. For example, if your niche is in the nails area, just type in nails, affiliate program, just like this, and check out all of these links, and maybe you'll find some affiliate programs that you can use in your Pinterest pins. For example, here's an account on impact.com. By going to brands and clicking on find brands, you can browse hundreds of affiliate programs. To narrow it down, filter by category. Just click on all brands and you can click on categories and search for your category. Let's take a look at some categories. For example, web hosting. If you scroll down a bit, we can find a Hostinger affiliate program which offers 40% per sale. By clicking details, you can learn more about how their program works. Go through platforms like these, find companies that align with your niche, and apply to their programs. Simply click apply, write a short explanation about why you're a good fit, and submit your application. In the beginning, not all applications may be approved, and that's perfectly normal. As your Pinterest account and online presence grow, more doors will open. A great program you can join right away is Amazon Associates. This program lets you promote nearly any product on Amazon and earn a commission. I won't dive into Amazon Associates here since I covered it in my previous videos, but they offer plenty of beginner-friendly resources. For context, their commission rates vary by category. For example, Selling a $1,000 TV at a 2% commission earns you $20. Not bad for a single sale. That said, digital products and services often have the highest commission rates. Without the overhead of physical goods, companies can afford to offer affiliates 50% or more per sale. For example, a $100 product might earn you $50 or more in commissions. Most niches have digital products or services you can promote, so prioritize those for higher returns. Okay, now let's dive into the type of content that performs well on Pinterest. In short, use bold fonts, vibrant colors, clear layouts, and compelling information. The key is to create visuals that grab attention in a busy feed. Pinterest, much like other platforms, thrives on eye-catching content to draw users in. Then someone clicks on your pin, you'll read the description. If you're intrigued and want more details, they'll follow your link, whether it's your website or an affiliate page. Then a purchase is made, you earn a commission. While direct links to affiliate offers are kinda possible, it's usually more effective to send users to a website with a valuable content. A website article provides far more detail than a pin or its description can. Offering this additional information builds trust, improves conversions, and leads to higher sales. Today's users expect value before making decisions. They won't engage with a simple pin saying, "Click my link to sign up." To succeed, you need to focus on delivering helpful content first. Through all of my years of experience, I've learned that creating value is non-negotiable. It's what drives users to click through to your site and use your links. Now let me walk you through how to design pins for your Pinterest account. We'll use Canva, a free platform with an optional premium plan for advanced features. If you're interested, you can explore the free trial option. While tools like Photoshop or similar platforms can work, I recommend Canva for its ease of use and accessibility. To get started, just head over to Canva and search for pin. Select the Pinterest carousel ad option and you'll find a variety of templates. Using templates is an excellent way to save time while creating professional looking pins. While you can design everything from scratch, it often takes much longer. I personally prefer choosing a pre-made template that fits my style and niche, then customizing it to make it unique. This approach allows you to work efficiently while still achieving a polished result. For instance, let's pick a template. Click on this template, click on Customize with Template, and start editing. You can adjust the text color, add shapes for better readability, and tweak other elements to suit your needs. Canva also provides a vast collection of free stock images. To use one, click on Elements, scroll down a bit, and find the section where it says Photos and click on See All. And now you can drag an image into a template and it's incredibly intuitive. For simplicity, I'll leave the designs mostly unchanged to show how easy it is to make edits in Canva. Beyond static images, Canva allows you to create videos as well. Just go back to the Elements tab and click on Videos and See All. Now you can search for vertical videos, drag one into the design and resize it to fit. Once your template is ready and you want to download it, just click on Share and click on Download this template. And if it's a video, you can click on MP4 file and just download it. If you'd rather design from scratch, just click on File, Create New Design, choose the custom dimensions, which are 1000 on 1500, and click on Create New Design. Add text, shapes, logos, or even draw elements directly in Canva. For this tutorial, I'm working with a template. I'll make some adjustments to the colors to make it pop, like changing the background or text colors. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Share, then download and save it as a PNG or JPEG file. If you want to add animation, select an element, click Animate and choose effects like Pan or Fade. This will transform your static design into a video. Once you've applied animations, export it as a video by following the same process. Experiment with different styles to see what resonates. Remember, the goal is to make your pins visually appealing and attention-grabbing. Now let's talk about creating a website, which is a crucial part of the Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy. You cannot link directly to affiliate links. because Pinterest might ban your account. What I recommend is to always create a landing page. Of course, you can start with your own website and domain, but that usually comes with more expenses, and that's why I usually recommend creating a landing page. This one is probably most intuitive tool you can find on the internet, basically. So you can create email marketing, can create workflows, forms, can check out audience analytics, resources, and of course, let's take a look at the pricing. So basically, you get a 30-day free trial that you can test out if you like Flowdesk, if you like this interface, and if you like the templates, the email marketing tools, and all of this stuff. You don't have to put any credit card details or nothing like that. You just sign up with your new account and just start using this tool. You can definitely check out Flowdesk. I'll leave a link down in the description. Also for kid.com, I'll leave a link down in the description. And I talked a lot in my previous videos why you should use landing pages. Just to quickly sum up, first of all, you don't want to get banned on Pinterest. You cannot promote your affiliate links directly. You need a bridge page, which is a landing page. And the second reason why you want to create your own landing page is to collect customers' emails. And this way you can promote your products, your new products, your plans, or whatever you're promoting on your Pinterest account more and send more emails to those customers you already got. And the third reason, you won't ever lose your email list. Even if you get banned on Pinterest, you still have your email list and you still can make money from your email list. But now return to Pinterest and create a new pin. Click create pin, then drag and drop the image file you created earlier. Use a static image, name your pin, and write a description. If needed, you can use tools like ChatGPT to help generate description, add your link, select a board, and ensure it's set to public. Make sure to include relevant tags, and you can also tag products by searching for existing pins or entering a link. Once you've added your link, click publish. For successful Pinterest accounts, aim to have 5 to 15 boards, each with at least 20 pins. You can also select and add pins from other accounts. This gives your account a well-rounded professional appearance. Not all content needs to be created by you. Feel free to share content from others, but always credit the original creator. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to generate income. Although it takes time and patience, one of the biggest challenges in affiliate marketing is driving traffic to your content. Many business owners are not familiar with Pinterest and aren't tapping into this opportunity. If you're watching this, you're likely interested in learning how to do this, which probably means you're already somewhat familiar with Pinterest. Use this to your advantage and stand out by doing something not many others are doing. Hopefully you can find this comprehensive guide helpful. Feel free to skip around if needed. I know we covered a lot. Don't forget to grab your free affiliate marketing guide in the description down below. This will help you a lot if you're just starting out. If you have a friend interested in a Pinterest affiliate marketing, share this video with them. I wish you the best of luck. If you found value in this video, give it a like and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.